Nitric oxide is a gaseous lube job for your body. That sounds sort of weird, but yeah, that's what happens. For a millisecond, it's just sitting in there pushing the blood flow along. And that is the reason why you need to keep producing it every day. If you are 40 and over, and you should plan to be, then there's something you need to know about your blood flow, which is that it is controlled a lot by nitric oxide. I know we always talk about the heart, but it's always this nitric oxide. It's rather new, and we're going to break this down. Nitric oxide is super important because it helps us with controlling aging, and aging has some issues when it comes to erection and blood flow. So we're going to break that down. And hey, my name is Brian, aka Uncle B. And as a coach, I get this question a lot about, what can I do for my blood flow? What a lot of guys don't know is about nitric oxide. You may see the supplement commercials, but we're going to get deeper into that. Specifically, what nitric oxide is, how it affects your body, and how to get more of it quickly. And what I'm going to do is also show you some of the foods that will help you boost your nitric oxide quickly and give you my morning ritual to help you out with that nitric oxide, give you a boost every morning. And the tea of the day is maca. Maca is great. It's an antioxidant, helps with liver health and with brain function and with weight loss. So yeah, go ahead and get your maca on. And what I'm going to do is break this down till it cannot be broken anymore. All right, let's hop into nitric oxide. What is it? It's a molecule that's produced naturally by your body, and it has a lot of health benefits and effects if it's up there. Now, here's the thing. Nitric oxide levels basically go down as we age. In our 40s, we basically have half of the amount. 50% of our nitric oxide leaves from the time we're in our 20s. Now that's going to affect your energy, your blood flow, your circulation. If you have decreased physical performance, well, yeah, if your blood's not moving, there's an issue. And of course, penile erections depend on nitric oxide. Why? Because you need blood into your penis for an erection. Now, nitric oxide will also determine how long you live. Its most important function is basically to increase the amount of blood flow that can go through your body by increasing the arteries, allowing more blood to pass on through. Nitric oxide production is essential for overall health because it allows blood, nutrients, and oxygen to travel to every part of your body very efficiently. And it does a couple of other things that are wonderful for you. It lowers LDL cholesterol so you don't have the hardening of your arteries with that plaque. It reduces blood stickiness so the blood can flow through a lot easier. Now here's the crazy thing. It only has a half-life of a millisecond. It's produced and it leaves like that. So the way that I like to look at it is nitric oxide is a gaseous lube job for your body. That sounds sort of weird, but yeah, that's what happens. For a millisecond, it's just sitting in there pushing the blood flow along. And that is the reason why you need to keep producing it every day. Now let's talk about the foods. Because this is how you're going to help boost up that nitric oxide. Now we get substantially more nitric oxide from green leafy vegetables than getting it from meat, hot dogs, or anything like that. We're talking about the difference between 80% for the fruits and vegetables and 5% for the meats. That's the reason why vegetarians have a lower incidence of heart attacks, cardiovascular disease, and that's because you can maintain optimal blood flow. Now, when we talk about certain foods, we're talking about oranges and limes. Like so, oranges and limes, it actually increases the bioavailability of nitric oxide in your system. Now here's one, go ahead, take note of this, beets and beet juice. It actually increases your nitric oxide by 25% in just 45 minutes. Beet juice, get you some. And when we're talking about increasing it, let's go ahead and talk about that garlic. Garlic is going to increase your nitric oxide levels by 40% in 1 hour. And what you actually want to do is take the garlic slices and mix it in with the orange slice so it's not as pungent, very easy to eat and take in. And this helps this get even better. And of course, we have to talk about the green leafy vegetables. We're talking about spinach, switch charge, arugula, cabbage, and kale. These are all high in nitrates, and when they get into your system, they mix with the saliva in your mouth, it goes down into nitric oxide. And of course, nuts and seeds, and we're talking about walnuts, helps out a lot. Now we can keep going on and on, but basically what we're talking about are foods that are high in nitric oxides. And one thing you'll notice, they're all whole plant. Supplements are typically not going to have nitric oxide in them. They'll have the L-arginine to help with the production of it. And of course, when we're talking about the other things you can do, exercise is basically just going to help with the production of nitric oxide. So that is going to get that blood flowing also. For all my athletes, my guys who are going out there on the weekends trying to get it in, you got that nitric oxide is actually going to help you be able to recover faster. It's going to help you be able to move faster because you have more blood flow. A couple of quick things. Hold up now. Don't waste time. If you want to get bigger or move up the performance scale so you can get larger and go harder, you need to try GoodWood. And for men over 40, we added stinging nettle for more power in GoodWood Advanced. More blood flow and testosterone to get bigger, better, and much stronger with GoodWood. Get growing, sir. You are going to love it, and so will she. If you have chronic stress, that's going to lower your nitric oxide output. Also, if you're getting bad sleep, you're not getting enough sleep, well, while you sleep, nitric oxide. You have to be careful with mouthwash also, because mouthwash is actually going to wash out the bacteria that is needed for the nitrates to turn into nitrites to turn into nitric oxide. So guys, this is very important when it comes to your blood flow. A lot of times we're just talking about running around doing things, but there are foods that can help you. Get these foods into your life. It's a lifestyle. It's not like I'm just going to do this one time and my nitrates are going to be good. My nitric oxide is going to be up. You want this to be an everyday thing so you don't have a problem at all, ever. And oh yeah, my morning ritual, it's the celery juice. It's the celery juice. It's the, Drink of Champions. And why is that? Because it's going to help push up your nitric oxide levels. I like to break my fast with it. So typically I start with this whenever I'm about to eat. First breakfast in the morning, I start off with this. Helps out a lot, helps flush out toxins in your system, etc. So make it a part of your ritual. You're going to love it. And of course, if you like what you heard, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, notification bell. This has been Uncle B saying, get your game up and go hard. Peace out.